was a time in my life when I found myself lost and had a hard time starting over. I felt like facing a blank canvas where I could paint my future and choose the colors, the rhythm, the emotions, and the tone that would be captured on it. By the time I started driving after leaving my home, our entire planet was entering quarantine. And I was faced with a nomadic life that I had never imagined. Although I always liked to walk in the woods, I knew I had a home to return to. But this time was different. And I couldn't return to a world that no longer existed. I am thankful for the kindness of those who opened their doors and hearts to me and supported me, allowing me to find a new way of living among nature. I walked, feeling the waves embraced on the empty beaches, and I learned to look at the stars in the darkness of the forest. I discovered the beauty of the drowsy birds hidden among the mangroves. I saw the flowers, the tiny insects, the frogs, and the dewdrops hidden among the blades of grass. Our world is full of beauty, but sometimes we can't see it because we don't have the time. We rush through life and never stop to enjoy this beautiful planet. Not everything in my trip was perfect. I found areas devastated by fire and garbage accumulated in parks. My heart was broken when I saw animals that had been injured or had lost their habitat. By sharing these experiences, the good and the sad, through stories, images, and videos, and now compiled in my book, I want to transport you to those magical places and take you to visit that breathtaking world. And only then, when that deep connection is established and we fall in love with nature, we will be able to protect